This pivot table shows the total coffee production by the top 10 coffee producing countries in the world for the years of 2010 to 2019. Let's say I wanted to convert this column from kilograms into pounds. To do this, we would have to use a custom calculation. To do a custom calculation in Excel, first hover your pivot table. Then go to Pivot Table Analyze, Fields, Items, and Sets, and then go to Calculated Field. The formula bar here is where we build our custom calculation, and the name is simply where we name the field itself. Let's name it millions of pounds. Since converting kilograms to pounds is just taking the number of kilograms and multiplying it by 2.2, the first thing I'm going to do in my formula bar is type 2.2 times, since the star operator is the operator we use in Excel to multiply. Next, I go down to the fields, and I click on production millions of kilograms, and click insert because that's the field that I want to multiply 2.2 by. Okay, now our equation looks pretty solid. If I hit OK, we can see that it's automatically inserted into our pivot table. It's now automatically inserted into our fields list over here, so we can use it in a pivot table just like any other field.